Hello, I am Alexandra, doctor of physical therapy and the only doctor certified with the Hypopressive Method. The Hypopressive Method reduces the excessive pressure in the abdominal cavity. This excessive pressure is the one that produces the distended abdomen. So it's great after having kids because make the core muscles stronger and also will help you to prevent back pain, help you to prevent with organ prolapse, and if you want to improve your lung capacity, the Hypopressive Method use breathing that's going to increase the lung capacity. Also, if you just want to get back in shape and have just a flat tummy, the Hypopressive will help you. I'm offering private classes. Also, I offer online classes. Also Skype classes. I'm here and I would love to teach you this amazing method. It's so effective that even Victoria's Secret model, they love to do this because they help them to recover faster after having babies. So I am just here ready to help you out. Bye bye.